Hey guys, we're here. We're going to dig into the potato bed today and see what we can come up with. 4x8 bed, 18 inches deep, and we're going to see how many potatoes we got. And remember, we trimmed the blossoms, so we're going to see if that made any difference or not. So I've got some helpers that's going to come out here and help me. So y'all come on over here, and we're going to dig some potatoes. Some potatoes.
Two potatoes.
So we just pull them off and we just set them over there. Oh, come here.
I see one. I'm finding a potato. And Papa, can you help me?
Yes, I can help you find some. Yes, baby.
There's some.
All right, I'll tell you what. Let's get a bucket.
Both of you guys together at the count of 3. Not yet, not yet. Grab onto that stalk with her, buddy.
Look, I found.
Little bitty potato, yeah. Still a potato. Look here, there's some. He's down in there.
Bite nets.
Oh no, they're not. Well,
Here, I found one.
I found a potato.
You didn't know.
look at that. There's another one. This was a lot of fun getting the family out there and the grandkids digging up potatoes. I believe they had a blast. They were digging in the dirt, having a lot of fun, and they learned potatoes don't come in bags at the supermarket. You can plant them, grow them, dig them up out of the ground on your own, and have a lot of fun doing that. And I believe we created a lot of great memories today.
Show me your potato.
That's such a big potato.
Whoa, there's a lot of potatoes. Anna, you found some big potatoes.
Oh, careful. All right. Yeah.
Potato.
Can you pull it out?
It has a little potato.
Oh.
Yes, I want mine to.
Put it in the bucket.
Now, I'm not sure that cutting the blossom ends off these potatoes did a lot of good, but it didn't hurt them. We've got some very large potatoes, and we got about 25 pounds of potatoes to show for this in a 32 square foot area.
2 potatoes.
All right, Amelia, you want to pull one up? Pull it. Look at that potato. Look at that potato, Amelia. Hold it. Now what we're going to do is just kind of dig down in here with your hands.
Can I get some?
Yes, everybody dig. Get over here and dig, guys.
Start digging.
Everybody start digging. And remember, count your blessings every day. I believe you've got a lot of them. I know I do. God bless. Bye.